Hi everyone, welcome to the next section of this video. In this video we're going to look at the step-by-step process of how to schedule a task in Linux using cron. In the previous video we've looked at what cron is. We've also looked at the cron daemon, alright. And quick one, if you're going to be writing the RHCSA 8 exam or the LFCX exam or the SUSE Linux exam, you can scroll down to the end of this website and click on the exam practice questions. It's important to practice before you write the exam, so I'm going to be dropping the link to this website in the description section below, alright. And we also have over 100 questions that we're yet to solve, and we're going to be updating the website from time to time. So it's better you subscribe to the newsletter or you subscribe to the YouTube channel so that you can always get the latest updates. In the previous video I mentioned that to schedule a task in Linux, you can either use the cron tab -e command to launch the cron tab editor, or you define your jobs in the cron.d directory, which is the /etc/cron.d directory, alright. But before we look at how to do all of these, let's see examples of a cron job definition, and that can be seen in etc cron tab file, alright. So when you look at this file, you can see this is example of job definition, and you can see this first line, okay, and the first line represents minutes, which is from 0 to 59 minutes, okay, and the second also represents hour, which is from 0 to 23 hours. The third line represents the days of the month, which is from 1 to 31 days, alright, and the fourth line represents months, which is from 1 to 12 months, and it can also be written, you can also define it as January, February, that is the first 3 letters of the month, alright, while the fifth line represents the days of the week, which is from 0 to 6 days, alright, and it can also be defined as Sunday, Monday, which is the first 3 letters of the week, alright. So this, you can also see star here, alright. So these examples of job definition can also be compared to as this line, alright. Just like I show you that when you see star here followed by the username and command to be executed, so just like when you have the 5 stars 1 2 3 4 5 followed by the commands that's supposed to be executed, alright. Just as I've explained that the first star of course will represent from 0 to 59 minutes, the second star will represent from 0 to 23 hours, alright. So this is what all of this means, okay. So the star, the wildcard star means every. When you see star, it means every. Of course, we've discussed this while we're talking about wildcards, alright. So this script simply means that execute every minute, alright, execute every hour, execute every day of the month, execute every month, execute every day of the week, alright, followed by the command or by the script. Hope you catch that. So let's do this with examples so that we can fully understand. So we're going to be logging some information in the system log, alright. We're going to be creating a cron job. So if you want to read more, I'm going to be dropping the link to this website in the description section below, alright. So if you want to read more about it, you can just come to this website. So the first thing we need to do is to launch the cron tab editor. So that's the method we're going to be using here, which I'm going to run the command cron tab, alright, -e. Then I'm going to execute for every insert, alright. So I'm going to execute for every here. You can see my screen, okay. So it means execute every minute, okay, then execute every hour, okay, execute every days of the month, execute every month, alright, then execute every days of the week, alright, which means, so this script simply means execute every minute. That's what it simply means. Let's use this command logger. I'm just going to say test. Okay, I'm going to save this file. I'm trying to expand my screen so that you can see. Okay, then I'm going to press the enter key so you can see that this job has been created. You can see here that installing new cron tab job. All right, so let's check the time. It's 04:00, that's 12:04, 00:04. all right, so this should execute every minute. And to test what we have done, let's see the system log file, which is the val log messages. Okay, so you can see that it has started running. The job has started running. You can see here 00:05 now. All right, started session 42 for user root, and it has logged it. You can see the test command here. All right, so if I also do val log messages again, it should log another one. Okay, it is still 00:05. all right, by 00:06 it should log another one, because the script or the task simply means that always run this every minute. So let's confirm another one. So you can see that another one has been run here. You can see that this is working. So this is another example. If you are to schedule a job to execute every Thursday by 2 a.m., the script will be written as 0, which means do not execute every minute. Then every Thursday, which is 2 a.m. all right, this is hours of every Thursday, which is for 4. all right, okay. So you can see other examples here. This is if you were to schedule a job to execute from Monday to Friday at every 3 a.m. So for intervals, Monday to Friday, it can be 1 to 5. all right, we've explained this here. This is 0 to 6. okay, so this shouldn't be a problem. Using cron is very flexible, all right, and it can also be used by some certain words such as at daily, at weekly, at monthly, and at yearly. So for example, if you want to run some scripts daily, you can just use at daily followed by the job or by the script. all right, and you can also redirect the output of a cron job to a file, and this can be run just as this. all right, so in the next before that, to remove a cron job or the cron jobs for the user, you use this command, which is cron tab -r. So for example, to remove all the cron jobs that I have on the system, use the command cron tab -r. This will remove all the cron jobs. all right, and for me to confirm that I don't have any other cron job, I use the command cron tab -l. all right, so you can see that there is no cron tab for root. okay, so in the next video I will show you how to use the AT utility to schedule tasks in Linux. all right, so thank you for watching. Please subscribe to this channel, and bye for now.